That's because there's no physical damage, guys. Now, I'm told by the fairgrounds that the lightning strike actually damaged an electrical transformer. Now, we weren't allowed inside due to safety precautions, but the good news is the city expects this to be a relatively quick repair. A lightning strike hitting the OG&E Coliseum last Sunday. Fairground officials say it damaged essential power sources, making it unsafe to host events.
Just like anything else, when the power goes out in the building, emergency lights come on so that people can get out of a darkened building to a safe area.
Crews have been working to repair the problem, assessing what needs to be done so inspections can continue and the fairgrounds can receive their certificate of occupancy. The building was slated to be used during the Red Bud Spectacular Horse Show, underway through early June. Munn said other accommodations were made.
They won't be able to use the Coliseum floor for any of their classes, so they'll have to relocate those classes to other venues we have around the property.
Now, the good news is the city really expects this repair to be done before the scheduled ribbon cutting for the Coliseum in the coming weeks. But tomorrow, organizers and officials will be coming together to figure out the timeline for this repair. Reporting live, Olivia Hickey, KOCO 5 News.
All right.